Okay, here we have a 2-bedroom with maid's room, penthouse in Harbor Heights, Harbor Row. Lovely, lovely view. Fantastic 2-bedroom, semi-furnished, can be fully furnished. Large living room. We do have open kitchen, very spacious kitchen, lovely. By the way, it's brand new penthouse. Dishwasher, washing, dryer, everything available here. The one of the guest room with the attached toilet, small balcony. Let me show you the view from the balcony. It's Yacht Club, financial districts, and Bahrain Bay Area as well over there. Okay, maid's room, toilet for maid's room. This is the bathtub, and this is the master room, which is very spacious. Cabinet is missing, but there is a lot of space for cabinet. Okay, lovely penthouse.